Hi guys, this is Jeremy Knepp from Permanent Acres, and right here is Scott's Kanan Jarrus hilt back in the shop again. What ended up happened was kind of a freak thing. Whenever he went to charge his saber, his chassis cracked right at the union point right here and just completely snapped in half. Rather than have any problems or issues with it as far as wires crossed or anything, he ended up just putting it back together as far as screwing this back down and shipped it back to me to fix the problem. And what ended up happening is when he unscrewed it, it had cracked. I don't know what while he was using it or whenever he unscrewed it. It's the chassis that the original installer had put in there, and then it got modified to use a 21700 battery over the 18650. Whether it was the changeover or whatever it just ended up fracturing right on that line. I'm in the middle of printing out a new chassis for him. It's out of Petga. It's gonna be nice in blue color. I designed it so that it would have the opening for the 12mm switch and an opening for the set screw to go in there. So right here I got the final result for Scott's hilt chassis. So kind of unscrew this, show you how it turned out. So right there, got his chassis. It's got a new 28mm speaker. The speaker that was originally on it ended up failing. It's got the 21700 battery hidden in here. And then if you read it from the side, Kanan Jarrus with the Rebels logo, Kanan Jarrus, and then got the Rebels logo there. Verso soundboard seated nicely in place, and then I designed it with a hole in the side of the chassis for the set screw to go right into, as well as having a hole for the 12mm AV switch to fit through. So it's retained by both the set screw and the 12mm AV switch. Still got the same LED module in it. So screw that in. Turns out really nice. This way, whenever Scott uses it and needs to charge it up, just unscrew it real quick, and right there's the recharge port for quick charging. Powers right up.
Green.
Which way you fail?
White.
It's so powerful you are. Why leave? Ahsoka. Master Qui-Gon. Okay. Remember your failure at the cave. Do or do not. There is no try. Which way you fail?
Blue.
Gonna be sending this one out just shortly.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.